In this Sailing Doodles, we give you a powerboat tour before sailing back up to Annapolis for some festivities. For the past week, we have been sailing around the Chesapeake Bay and really enjoying our time on a 2019 48-foot Hylas with our friends Dave and Peggy.
Well, good morning, but man, just came outside to take the trash out and go for a little walk. There are millions of gnats everywhere. I mean, just look, oh my gosh, look at this. I mean, this we're gonna have to hose down this whole area, a boat. Jeez. Okay, well, hosing down the boat today. This is Oxford. Not exactly the most happening town. We got here and tried to go to dinner about 9, but all the restaurants closed at 9, so.
Oh, we kind of got hit by
Yeah, we got stuck in the rain, so.
We're running through the rain.
So we're gonna go have lunch here today and then head out, not spend a whole lot of time here, I think. Actually, brunch, it's still early-ish.
We're gonna go swimming today.
Yep.
Somewhere.
So Hylas also makes motor yachts, so we kind of happened to be here at the right time to see a Hylas Motor Yacht 44. We'll take you on a little quick tour of it. It was just totally random that we came to this marina and there's a Hylas 44 here and we know the owners, or Dave and Peggy know the owners.
Oh, it's Nat Mageddon here too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's not just us.
Okay, so you gotta watch out in Oxford for the gnats. So it's like Nat Mageddon. Like I video, oh man, they're everywhere, yeah.
There it is.
You have your own little swim deck and grill out here in the back. Pretty cool little place to hang out. It's pretty narrow boat, so you can fit in like a normal slip, you know? Like yeah. These are
Actually bait wells. This is.
Oh really?
This boat was designed in New Zealand. So Dean Salthouse is the designer, and his family's been building these boats, you know, in New Zealand. There's like a lot of really cool surprises on this boat in terms of like the bait wells. You can fish off of it, but it's super comfortable as well.
Yeah. So let's take a look inside.
Yeah.
This is nice. It's
great.
Yeah, a lot of nice space. I mean, I could see how this would be a nice weekend or kind of holiday boat, something like that for sure.
And so you have all these open space to entertain with your guests.
Yeah, just funnel the drinks over to your guests. It does 30 knots.
Oh really? 30 knots?
Yeah, 30 knots.
What kind of motors is that? Is that 2 or single?
Two Yanmar. Twin screw Yanmar, yeah, right underneath your feet.
Oh wow, 30 knots, that's amazing.
Yeah, I'll show you the engine room.
Oh yeah.
It's got a little step down. Twin Yanmars.
It's the captain's quarters.
We'll kick Laura down there.
That's pretty comfortable, right?
Oh.
Single berth.
Yeah, single berth, there you go.
Bilge rats.
Bilge bunnies.
What's up front?
This is so clean.
BilgeBunny.com.
It's a safe.
I just got the look.
Oh my gosh! Babe! This is so cool! Go to the other side.
What? Oh, over here?
Yeah.
Laura, are you there?
Yeah! This is how you get away from the pirates.
What's she doing?
This is actually a pretty big
This is cool.
four-seater.
Yeah. It's like a secret, passageways. So much room for activities.
Step Brothers, that's an easy one. And then the master cabin right here, so. Alright, so it's single head.
Yep, but it has a separate shower.
Oh, okay.
Nice. There it is. So when you're pulling up to a dock, you have the spring line right here. So you
toss it out.
Grab the spring line and it's like single-handed docking.
Yeah.
This window was specifically designed for him to be able to just come out,
Oh wow.
grab the spring line and throw it on the cleat, which is specifically designed here so that you can do it while you're docking the boat. Right. Single-handed operation.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Hey boss. And it has a thruster.
And windshield wipers.
This is like a giant coaster.
I'm definitely a sailboat guy, but this would be a fun little powerboat.
this really, look at this. It's a
Yeah.
grass beach.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
All right, Captain Dave, where are we headed to today?
Going to the Solomon Islands.
Well, I think we try to go to the Solomon Islands every day, right?
Are they called islands or just the Solomons?
Solomons.
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 Yeah, well today we will finally get there. Probably not before happy hour.
Right around happy, yeah.
Right around happy hour.
We'll see what happens.
Pedal to the metal.
There you go. All right, let's get
Canvas
these.
to the metal.
Canvas to the middle. There you go. Hopefully we can sail. Let's pull up these lines and stuff.
All right.
So we pulled up the fenders, and it's still really cool how the electric windlasses make everything so easy to put the sails out. We were cruising down the bay at 8 knots. We left Oxford and headed generally south down to the Solomons. Furling the sails is just as easy as putting them out.
If the boat was slowed down, you would then,
Cover?
yeah, do something like this. Back on the ladder. Ah, yeah. 2 hands. Oh, I think I lost my shorts. I want to cut right there. Yeah. How many knots are we going?
What's that wake you're making? Woo!
Body weight.
Yeah!
Hold on. Oh, now we're talking. Now we can kind of like go all the way back. Oh yeah, now I can, ooh, the exhaust. Smells awesome.
Such pleasant smells.
Yeah, this is what we're talking about right here, folks.
Whoa, you do need some strength.
Oh yeah, you do. I'm slowing it down.
Ow!
Hello. Oh, that's easy. There's a fill inside the, like up top.
Oh, this is a bottomless activity.
Shell. In the silver side.
Like it?
Alright, so are these there or something else?
Whoa. It's like you don't even have control of your body. I can feel the speed of the boat.
You ordered milk.
The water must be nice.
We're actually getting somewhere in time for like dinner for once and happy hour, so pretty cool. This is Solomon's. So we're gonna spend the night here and then it's 40 miles straight back up to Annapolis tomorrow to see the fireworks, and then we're done the next day. So look forward to checking this place out. We're gonna maybe drop anchor there. I think it says we can anchor there. We'll try it. Well, so we are here. This is Solomon's. All these are the Solomon Islands. Little tiki bar over there. It's got good reviews. We're gonna drop anchor right here and see what it's all about.
The Solomons are known for being a bit of a party area, and we weren't disappointed.
All right, we are on our way. It's the 4th of July. Headed to go see the fireworks there in Annapolis. Should be a good show. Man, you gotta watch these crab pots. Man, there's like hundreds of them out here, and they're all really close together. I mean, they're in lines, but geez, I mean, I guess they put them out in the morning and probably take them up at night. But I mean, if they left this out at night, people are trying to go through here at night. All right. Yesterday we had gnat attack. Today it's flypocalypse.
Gnat attack?
Oh, it's every species of flies. We have a whole like, it's like a, it's like the feeding cycle. We've got the dragonflies, eating the small flies.
We've been killing as many as we could, but just, I mean, they're just everywhere. Flypocalypse.
One shot, one kill.
We're trying to fight them off with citronella and mimosas. Not sure which is working better.
You're attracting fruit flies.
Sort of like citronella, it's the same color, sort of, right?
Right.
You're attracting fruit flies.
Yeah, I know.
They're
That's probably
fruit.
true.
I want a body count.
Oh, ladybugs!
She's scooping them all up there with the Dyson. I think you said you like dragonflies, right?
Nope.
You're the dragonfly whisperer!
All right.
He just came right back.
It was about 40 miles motoring north into the wind.
Trying to find a place to anchor. All the moorings are full there, and there's normally an anchoring area over there, but I think that's the firework barge, so they're not letting anybody anchor over there. So we'll come back behind over here and anchor over here somewhere.
The area was really crowded for the 4th of July.
We're gonna, we gotta keep this side, there's a line to stay away from the fireworks, so we're gonna drop like right here.
How's this?
I think it looks great.
Great.
Safely anchored, I went ashore to pick up our friends Jen and Eric. And of course, it started pouring down rain at that exact time.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit of a wet ride out there.
It's all right. We got dry. Last minute up from dry clothes. Cool.
We've been told we have a surprise.
Now, I know there's going to be fireworks tonight.
Oh no.
Oh, Bobby.
I'm not allowed to make the fireworks anymore.
No,
All right. Well, we brought you.
Since we're so
goggles.
close.
Thank you.
We brought you safety goggles.
Hey, baby. I brought you these.
Right,
Well,
sparklers.
you need to
They're
wear the
okay
safety
for
goggles.
like kindergartners.
Yeah, thank you. I should have had these before.
If this explodes,
And gloves. And gloves.
then you're just too hot for anyone to handle.
Safety last.
Safety.
I love it.
I like any little bit.
Babe, do you feel safe?
This is first.
Safety Bob. That's my new name.
What is it?
Safety Bob. Safety
Bob.
Steve.
All right. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We decided to get a water taxi to take us into shore. we had a good time with dinner and drinks, which led to whatever this is. We had trouble getting a water taxi back, but we made it just in time to see the fireworks. Be sure to tune into the next episode as we give you a first look at the boat we have under contract. Could we buy it? Will it be our next boat? Thank you so much for our patrons for supporting this channel. They've actually already got to see this boat.